For real. Some of y'all be commenting about the bone, how it look. I got one thing of hot sauce. This is like that hot sauce you get from the Chinese restaurant too. Now, let's check it out. What's going on, fam? It's your man Matt DV. We're here in Newark, New Jersey on Clinton Ave, and I'm about to go to New York Fried Chicken in suggestion of one of our subscribers, Monique. Big up Monique, but I shouldn't thank you until I tasted the chicken. Let's go in here and see what it's all about. Yo, let's go check it out. Check it out. They got the I wonder if it looks like that, right? You think it look like that that's on the window? Let's check it out. They got pizza too. The pizza any good, bro? The pizza good too? Oh yeah? Well, what should I get, the chicken or the pizza? Get both. Get both. He said get both. All right, my brother. I'm gonna go get both, y'all. We up in here. Look, that fried chicken look good. That's that fried chicken. What's happening, sir? I'm gonna get a slice of pizza because they told me it's really good, and a wing, two wings, okay? You got wings? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So they said it's good, man. Monique said this spot is good. The brothers outside said it's good. So let's check it out, man. Let's check it out right here. Little small store out here on Clinton Avenue. You getting them in there. You got pies there too. They got beef patties up in there. They got, I could see some what are those, pudding. I'm gonna get a water too, if I can. Get a water. You take card, right? Okay. Oh yeah, y'all, they back there cooking too. He back there putting them. That's that fresh chicken he making? Yeah. He back there getting the chicken done, y'all. They keep it regular back here. How you doing, brother? Alright. I'm gonna try the pizza, and the chicken. You got the slice right there, yo. What's up, man? Slice coming right there, yo. Huh? Yeah, that one slice. It's good? Okay. You got the slice right there, y'all. Let's check it out. So I got my bag. About to go out to the car and eat it. Here we go, y'all. We got it. Police truck out there. Let's go set up right here, right here. All right, y'all. We just came out of the spot. Bro had suggested I get the pizza. I'm gonna go for the pizza first. I'm gonna go for the pizza first, man. It don't look like it's the best pizza. You know, we like it real. It looks cheesy, but it don't look like, you know, the cheese ain't falling off of it. Let's do our first bite on this. Let's check it out. There's no cheese pull. That's good flavor though. It's good flavor, right? Because I taste that oregano, the sauce tastes pretty good, but this is not the best pizza that I've had. I don't know. It looks good, right? But that cheese, let me just pull off some of that cheese right there, y'all. Let me check it out. Check it out right there. Look at that cheese. There's a lot of cheese on there, not that much sauce. I'm gonna get a pizza of 5. Let's put the pizza up, and we're gonna go right in for the chicken. Uh-oh. Let's go for the chicken, y'all. We out here on Clinton Ave. Those of y'all from Newark, there used to be a spot across the street called the Chicken Shack way back in the day. They got these little, they got the little biscuits. They got the little rolls, right? I ain't even gonna call them biscuits. Oh, the chicken look official though, y'all. Look at that chicken right there. That look official, don't it? Chicken look official. Let's check it out. I got even a little bit of hot sauce in there, right? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Got a little crunch to it. The chicken is official. The sister told me to come get the chicken. She didn't say the pizza. I get a pizza in a 5. I'm gonna get a chicken. The chicken seasoned well. All right, here's the question right now. Everybody gonna be like, is it better than Ambassadors? This some good chicken. I like the chip too. It's crunchy. It's a little oily. It's got the season on them. All right. The chicken's official, y'all. It tastes like homemade chicken. Chicken, I'm talking about chicken you make in your house at home. I'm gonna put some hot sauce on the next piece. Look at them bones, y'all. Got white bones on them. You know when the white bones mean they're fresh, right? That's what y'all say. I don't even want to eat these, but they feel hard. The buns, these they're not even, they buns, right? They feel a little hard. Got a little hint of sweetness in it. I wish I had some butter from them buns. Hold up, y'all. All right, I'm looking for my hot sauce now. Let me get down low here. Where'd that hot sauce go? I got one thing of hot sauce. This is like that hot sauce you get from the Chinese restaurant too. Let's put this on it, y'all. Let's get this on it. Let's check it out. Let's check it out with the hot sauce on them. This is some good chicken. I didn't rate it yet because they seasoned it right. I even saw the brother back there season it. I showed you guys. I'm happy with the wings. Wasn't too happy with the pizza. I should have got 3 pieces of this. All right. I want more hot sauce on this next one. Let's put some more hot sauce on them. I got hot sauce on the car, y'all. We got that hot sauce on them. We got that hot sauce on them right there. Even the hot sauce is good. Hold up, wait a minute. I just dropped the bone. For real. Some of y'all be commenting about the bone, how it looks. Isn't that a fresh looking bone? I think I did a live stream here before, I can't remember. I did live stream so many places. Where's my brother at? I was gonna tell the dude the pizza wasn't that good. He suggested the pizza too. Yeah, the pizza wasn't good. But that chicken right there, see that chicken? I'm gonna get the chicken a 9. Y'all hear that crunch, right? I said these buns wasn't good. To me, they seem like they need to be fresher. But I'm gonna eat another piece. Hold on. You gotta get the gristle. You gotta bite that joker right down to the gristle.
Oh no, he ain't. You don't want no toy? I try to use, but I'm not using steak. I go
All right, man.
south.
Once again, the pizza wasn't that good. Let me just check it, right? I done ate some of that chicken. Let me just taste it once again. It tastes like that pizza you get from the drive-in theater back in the day. That's it, man. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people. We out here on Clinton Ave, in the hood of Newark, New Jersey. On to the next one. Love you, cats. Peace.